Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. So I am back, your girl Coach Tanisha, with another review. You deserve to be rich from the Earn Your Leisure guys. These guys literally, we watch these guys blow up. I'm happy that this book came out because we was using Rich Dad Poor Dad books for so many years, and I feel like Robert Kiyosaki, he's definitely not for black people, and this is specifically for us. Specifically for us. So you got to get this book. You have to get this book. Now, what I like about this book, it gives step by step, and they have a lot of endorsements with this book. So it deserves to be a #1 bestseller. Unfortunately, we had the Rich Dad for a long time. We learned a lot from Rich Dad, but he's not for the people. These guys are for the people, okay? So EYL thesis of wealth, okay? This is one of the sentences in the book. Increase your income. So that means make more money, which I always talk about, right? Make more money, okay? Lower your expenses and invest the difference. EYL focuses on investing, period. Like, that's their whole brand, is focusing on investing. So I'm a government contractor, so I work in the schools, and I teach children financial literacy. So this is my book, The ABCs of Wealth Building for Children. So I feel like these go together, right? You deserve to be rich, right? I'm going to recommend this to the parents. And then for the children, I give the children this, right? Which is the ABCs of wealth building. It's exactly what they are talking about in here, right? And I love that, how they talked about how they started, literally how they came from the bottom. It's been 6 years, like they came to the top, like they were educators at heart. Right? These guys are educators at heart. So the podcast, media company, all that is fitting, right? It's fitting for this book. You deserve to be rich. You got Charlemagne. He got the billionaire Robert F. Smith. You got Tiffany, the budgetnista, and Steve Harvey praising this book, okay? So I haven't got through the whole book, right, yet, but I already know this book is fire, right? Just from me starting it, and they talking about investing, and they talking about things that we need to do, okay? They talk about different people, also in here that have testimonials like of this, guys, and it talks about mindset, right? I appreciate you guys for doing this because so I appreciate the fact that they start the chapters off, guys, with shifting your mindset. A lot of us come from middle class or poor families, okay? And being rich or getting rich is a mindset. It truly, truly is a mindset. So I appreciate that the guy started literally with shifting your mindset. Shifting your mindset is before chapter 1. Literally, shifting your mindset. Earning your leisure is possible only when you change the way you approach your financial past, present, and future. This section works to address everything that holds us back from fully living in economic freedom. Many of those obstacles are due to no fault of our own. They are the work of the systematic oppression. Guys, this is for us. This is also about history of us financially. So make sure you get this book, guys. Make sure you get this book as well. This is by me and my daughter as well. Building wealth in real time with my daughter. Make sure you get this book, guys. I'm going to tag both books. Guys, thank you for this this book. Thank you for creating this book, guys. Thank you for creating Earn Your Leisure. Shout out to Ian. Ian, I'm putting yes in chat all the time because you definitely helped me make money with the VOO stock. So, guys, thank you for this. I appreciate this. I will be referring this book to all of my parents in the schools because we do deserve to be rich. Thank you, guys.